So this right here is one of my favorite wash day routines, and it's just 2 steps. That's right, you heard me correctly, only 2 steps. And these 2 steps will remove all product buildup, detox, clean, moisturize, and strengthen hair. It's really like a natural hair reset button for me. I just love this routine, you guys. Stay tuned. So I just took out my protective style, and I need to do all those things I just mentioned because I'm gonna be changing my hair color soon, y'all. And this amazing product I do this with is from Soultanicals. It's their Master Cleanse Curl Detox. Now feel free to make your own clay mask if you're one of those kitchen whipping Chef Boyardee DIY naturals. But these clays from Soultanicals are sent straight from the hair guys from me, and I love them. And y'all rarely hear me rave about a particular product, but these Soultanicals clay cleansers, oh my god, I just love them. They have this one, and they also have a pumpkin kaolin one, which I think is seasonal for the fall. But both of them are about the same to me. This one has bentonite clay in it, and it's infused with essential oils and a lot of different roots and detox ingredients. And what it does is it draws all the buildup and toxins and impurities to the clay and basically clarifies hair without stripping it like shampoos do. I also find that it boosts and clumps my natural curl pattern as well. So how to apply it? I start on dirty, dry hair and put my hair in 4 sections, then split those sections in half, so I'm really working in 8 sections. Then I spray a little bit of water on it and detangle. And I wish I would have spit that damn gum out before I filmed this video, so please excuse my chewing away in this video. At least my mouth won't open, but I hope y'all can get over it and enjoy the knowledge I'm about to drop on you. Now back to the application. I apply this mask in a liberal amount, and I finger detangle it through to coat every single strand of my hair. It goes on soft, but it does start to harden up as it dries. Oh, and this is messy. Y'all see that piece that flung right off? So heads up on that. It's very messy. It's also on my shoulder as well. But yeah, I apply a liberal amount, work it in until my hair starts to curl and clump. And oh yeah, my hair is shedding a lot, y'all. I went and had a physical. Turns out my iron is extremely low, and so is my vitamin C and B. I have a deficiency. Well, I have deficiencies, plural. But my hair is shedding, and I've been staying with the cold lately. My immune system is weak, and I'm telling y'all all this to highlight the importance of taking care of yourselves. I definitely overworked myself between August and September, between events, traveling. Y'all, I went out of town 6 times in the last 2 months. Then on top of that, I was trying to get content out. I was trying to upload. I had my full-time job, and I was trying to hold down my personal life. So I was just eating out a lot. Wasn't eating a lot of vegetables. I started slipping on my water intake. Haven't been to the gym, and it's showing in my hair today. It's showing in my voice today too. I've been sick lately. My hair is shedding, and it looks like I had them cornrows in for 6 weeks, but I really only had them in for 2 weeks. Like, this was as much shedding as I had when I had my box braids in. So yeah, I've been chilling now, but take care of yourselves, guys. Anyway, I'm going through smacking this gum in my mouth and applying the mask. So how these masks actually work scientifically, it basically works like a magnet. The clay has a negative charge, and product buildup and impurities on your hair have a positive charge. So when you apply the clay, it sits on top of your hair. That's why it looks so white going on. You let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes, and when it gets hard, it pulls those impurities out and it bonds to the clay. And then when you wash your hair off in your warm or hot water, the buildup just rinses off with the clay. So the masks sit right on top of your hair, right? Well, as far as the other ingredients, they actually are able to penetrate the hair shafts. So this particular clay detox has aloe, coconut water, dandelion root, molasses, which nourish and moisturize hair. Then it also has essential oils in it like thyme, however you pronounce it, peppermint, lavender, geranium, and lemon, which are good for the scalp to improve blood flow and growth. So these clays are good for both the scalp and your hair. So feel free to rub it on in there on your scalp after you're done applying it. And as you guys can see, my curls are starting to form, my hair is clumping and shrinking up, and these clays are really good for enhancing natural curl patterns. So do y'all see why this is one of my favorite wash day routines? I can clarify, moisturize, treat my scalp, and revive my curls in just one step. We haven't even gotten to the second step yet. So I left this on for an hour. I spent 30 minutes under the dryer with the plastic cap, and this is how my hair looked after I took the cap off. Then I let it cool and harden some for like the next 30 minutes or so, and this is how it looked right before I rinsed it off. Now, it looks like it's gone, but it's still there. What happened was my hair color actually turned the clay dark. So y'all, yes, this does bleed hair color. And I try to line my clay routines up with right before I either get my touch-ups or right before I change my hair colors, because you're only supposed to do this every like 4 to 6 weeks. This is not something you need to be doing weekly. It's going to be too much on your hair to clarify every week. Okay, so then I rinsed it out and my hair is feeling super soft and squeaky clean, and like my curls are popping. And y'all, you do not need to shampoo your hair before nor after this. This is the cleanser. This is how you clean your hair with this routine. And just make sure you thoroughly rinse your hair. Get all the buildup and the clay off of your hair. And my next step, which is to deep condition with a protein-rich deep conditioner. And I'm using the Afrotastic Curl Elastic by Sotanicals as well. And I just apply this and finger detangle as I go. It's moisturizing, but it also has burdock root, alma. It has hydrolyzed jojoba protein. And you just reset your hair with this. It's very important to use something healthy and natural based after you do your detox, because what you don't want to do is clarify your hair and then load it down with more chemicals and impurities. So the reason I said to use something protein rich is because my hair is colored, and coloring damages hair, and when clarifying actually removes that buildup and resets hair, it opens your cuticles. So the first thing I don't want to do is apply a chemical. I want to apply protein and moisture to make my hair stronger. And this is why this is called the Curl Elastic. Elasticity is basically your curl's ability to be pulled and bounce back versus staying stretched and limp when you pull it. And I left this on for about 30 minutes and sat under the dryer, and y'all can see how plump my curls are when I rinsed it off. And this is my hair with no product, y'all. It's popping. So do y'all see why I love this routine? Super simple and effective. It's a little time consuming, but it's definitely worth all the benefits. So that's it, y'all. Check my recent uploads or subscribe and turn on your notifications to see how I styled my hair after this. You don't want to miss this bomb ass rob set I was able to achieve, which is going to be my last style with this blue hair color, sis. So if you like this video and want more, go ahead and thumbs up. Drop your thoughts on clay mask or drop your favorite clay product or recipe blend in the comments. And yeah, bye.